Kia ora folks, welcome to the workshop. Lately I've been toying with the idea of making these mega slabs. When you make stuff out of pallet wood, even things that you've milled the day before don't stay dimensionally true. This one here I milled yesterday and it's already started to warp. So what I think is if you chop them up into tiny little bits and glue them back together into big bits, mega slabs if you will, then maybe they will be more dimensionally secure. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good for starters. I have a nice big chunk of wood here and I am very pleased. However, the edges are not straight. And there you go, that's a big slab, 1500 by 290 by 55 mil I think. A very big slab. But I don't have a straight edge. But I do have a great big long 2.4 meter level. It's straight. Now, what about if I bunged a hole in a stick and attached it? That should work, right? Screw here, knob there, all good. Tried and tested method of choosing the right drill bit. Use my multi-purpose router table hole in a stick to put another hole in a different stick. Bolt that on there. And we have the beginnings of a solution. Pretty good. Nice and flush. But yeah, there's our problem. No hole in my fancy new blue level. Nothing to it but to make one. Horrific, I know, but sometimes needs must. Also, a bit of support is good. Sometimes. Hey, if you're working with metal, get yourself one of these guys, a deburring tool. Fantastic little guy. Ooh, brand spanking new pull saws. We got them from the place that shall be not mentioned. Seem to work fine. More holes, different pull saw. This one has a different ratio. Big teeth on one side, small teeth on the other. Very fancy. Shoots. He scores. Alright. Hole, stick, knob. Beautiful. Now this is pallet wood, right? Another hole won't hurt. Just bung that screw in there and that screw in there. And now our mega slab has a straight edge. How cool is that? Very cool. Bit of in-feed support. I've got a pallet clamped to the garage door to hold that thing. It's heavy. It's I don't know, 20 kilograms probably. Just see how much I want to cut off, move the fence over, and just about time. Now wait, chuck a featherboard on. I don't know why more people don't use these things. They're fantastic. Just one less thing you have to control. Pushes it up against the fence. And away you go. What the heck is that? What are you inspecting in there, Mr. Pod? I don't think any of my woodwork is in that hole. He says he doesn't care about Mega-slabs. He's out. But look at that. Pushy push. All done. Too easy. That's the real Matt right there. But yeah, it seems to have worked. It was really easy to attach. Looks to be quite a nice straight edge. Not sure if I'm game to screw it directly to a fancy piece of wood on a Mega-slab that already has 1,000 holes in it. Why not? So the true test though, is it actually flat and straight? That's looking pretty good. My magnificent empire. Level, not sponsored. Look at that. That's pretty straight. Just a reminder, that is one big slab. Very happy with myself. Cheers, folks. Until next time, have a good one.